Hi everyone, today on Steve's Garage I'll be doing a purely cosmetic repair, which is something that's not very common on this channel, but these steering wheel and grille badges that fade to pure chrome on the P3 Volvos had to go. They look terrible, and I honestly feel like they aged the car. So maybe their function is improving the looks of your car, and who doesn't want that? I'll be starting with the steering wheel, but I will also be doing the grille badge later in the video. You can put the new emblem on top of the existing one, but I'll be removing it so it sits more flush with the airbag cover, and I think it'll adhere better to the cover itself than the crusty old emblem. I found it easiest to use a razor blade to get under the bottom corner of the badge and start lifting it up. If you're careful and have a steady hand, you won't damage the surrounding trim. Once you get it started, you can pull the rest of it off by hand, and all that's left is to clean up the leftover adhesive. I use some 3M adhesive remover on a microfiber, but rubbing alcohol should also do the trick. Just go slow and clean up as much of the glue as you can, that way the new emblem will sit flat and have no adhesion problems. When it comes to applying the new badge, make sure that it's all lined up and just stick it into place. Use some force to make sure it's properly adhered, and you're good to go. Now we can move outside to the front grille, which is really the same deal as the inside. On this one, the outer clear film layer was actually starting to separate from the badge itself, so if I stick the new one on top of it, it's probably going to end up falling off. Again, you could apply right on top, but I'll be removing it. So same deal as the inside, use the razor blade to lift the bottom corner of the badge and pull the rest off by hand. Then grab your alcohol or adhesive remover and clean up the glue. In this case with the adhesive remover, you can see it doesn't really dissolve the glue, but it softens it and makes it easier to scrape off. Once you've removed all the glue, do one last wipe down of the surface, apply your new badge, some pressure, and you're all set. And here you can see it completely changes the look of the car. For such a small detail, it really makes a huge difference. I bought these badges from prancingmoose.com, who I'm not affiliated with, I just really like their products. It's a poly dome sticker as opposed to the metal OEM ones, which will fail again. I used this style on my previous P3 Volvo and it never dulled or faded over the 6 years I owned the car. Not only do they look great, but they also fit perfectly, so if you need some replacement badges, I'd head over to his website and pick some up. It only takes a couple bucks and a few minutes of your time to completely refresh the interior and exterior of your car. If you enjoyed this video, check out my other P3 Volvo videos. At the time of posting this, I'm still building up the library as I work on the car, so be sure to subscribe so you don't miss future videos. Feel free to leave any questions or comments you have below. Thanks for watching, everyone.